her cause she out here looking fun. Better pop your shit because I'm out here popping mine. The way these diamonds hitting bitches damn near going blind. Like this Don Julio gon' do the trick.
Yo, what's going on? What's popping? What's crack-a-lacking? We not even gonna act like y'all ready for this. We not even gonna act like y'all ready for it. Y'all not even ready for what we got going on. Y'all not even gonna, y'all, let's not act like y'all know what we got going on. Let's not even do that. Let's not even do that. When I say I'm committed, I'm committed. When I say I'm committed, I'm committed. We not even gonna act like y'all understand what's going on. Let's get into these. We ain't gonna even waste y'all time. Let's get into them because I feel like y'all playing with me. I feel like y'all playing with me. So first off, we got the coconut milks here. We got the coconut milks here, and I don't know the names of these. They all got special names. I don't know them. I just know that we get fly when we got to. So first up, we got the Ja coconut milks. Yeah, Yaka, the white, the coconut milk. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, with the hints of the baby blue on the tongue. Bam, hints of the baby blue. Look, these go crazy. Yes, when these go on feet, these will be changed. These can't be all white in there. You gotta change them out. You gotta change them out. And with every box come, if I'm not mistaken, you get a little little Ja sticker. Bam. These go crazy. I don't know about y'all. These go crazy. And if y'all seen the PEs that he got, oh, hey, hands down, hoop shoe between these and the AE2s, I don't know. Y'all let me know. But we not done. Coconut milks. Bam, 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 the coconut milks. Let me know how y'all feel about them. But wait, there's more. Let me know how y'all feel about the coconut milks. Them clean, them crazy. The 12 with the green on the back with the Nike sign in black go crazy. These go crazy, but we're not done. We're not done. As we continue to dig into our bag, bam. I think these called the show-ems or the showstoppers or something to that matter. You see the J, the A right there on it, on that ass. You got the 12 and the Nike side on the inside in pink with, let's see, what's the official colors that got these boys at? We got them as mink brown and pink foam. Listen. I probably can get them off with my fit I got on right now. Listen. These go crazy, yo. Y'all not even understanding the color scheme on this. And it's black, not even like a pure black on the sole. It's like a translucent black. So they go real crazy with the pink on the ZoomX. Once again, you got the blue on the Ja right here. And you got it on the tongue there. And you got his logo on the inside. So if you can see that, you can see that. You can't, I'm sorry. But you got this logo on the inside as well. We get some close-ups of these. Look. We not even done. Once again, it come with a sticker in the box of the logo. These do come with an extra set of laces. The coconut milks don't. These come with an orange set of laces. I'm not sure why the orange set of laces. I just don't get it. All his shoes come with weird color laces. I don't understand it. I don't know why orange. We just throwing colors on there. I'm more color coordinated than just throw some orange on there. But these might go with a different pair of them. Hell, I might put that orange pair in them, that coconut milk. You just never know. But these do come with a different set of laces. And is my sticker in there? My sticker is in the box. Bam, bam, bam. So, we not done. It's spooky season. It's spooky season. It's scary season. I'm going to tell y'all why. It's scary season, yo. Scary season is upon us. And when it's scary season upon us, bam, woo, I'm not sure the brown laces. These brown laces maybe can go in these, but oh my God, yes, 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 yes. Here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go again. Bam, bam, bam. These are clean. These have the most detail out of all of them. You got the teeth right there on the tongue there. You got the jaw there. You got the jaw once again in baby blue there. I don't like the brown laces, but I guess it go with the Nike swoosh on there. Let's get into these though. So let's talk about them because we showing y'all the shoes, but we ain't really talked about the shoes. So you guys got this, rubber all the way around. These fit like a Kobe, his latest ones. These fit like a Kobe, his latest ones. These do have a dope insole in them. Bam, 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 bam. So these do fit crazy. For my big feet gang out there, go half size up. For my wide feet gang, definitely go half size up or even a whole size up. These do run small. So they run small is because how the tongue is attached to the side panel. I will link a video to show y'all how he broke these down and cut them open, but these do have the most detail in them. When I tell you that this is giving you Kobe Grinch vibes, this one, it's a whole Nike pack of out of just Halloween. So if you can go look at it, the KDs go crazy. Yeah, so it's just dope. It's just dope. These do come with that second set of laces. Bam. That matched the 12 on the back side there. That orange on the back side there. Also in this box, you do get the spooky jaw. You do get the spooky jaw sticker. So shout out to them. And you still get the other jaw sticker with this logo. Shout out to Ja. I want to say that. Shout out to Ja Morant because this is his redemption tour this year. He just been in a lot of just stuff that don't need to be, right? So this is definitely his redemption tour, his redemption shoe. These go crazy. If you get a chance, let's do that. If you get a chance, I think it's like 6 of these released. If you get a chance to cop you a Ja, it's 3 of them that I didn't get. The original first release to the public pink ones. It's the one with the 2 different color ones. And actually it's 4. It's the black pair with the Ja spray painted on the side. And it's the gray pair with the Ja spray painted on the side. I wasn't able to cop those pair, but I did cop these pairs. And I will be copping the next one. So be on the lookout for that. Hey, if y'all are liking what y'all are seeing, if y'all are liking what we got going on here, if you want me to produce more content for y'all with different shoes and different things, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Let's please the algorithm gods oh so well. Make sure you hit that like button. Yo, we here, we there, we everywhere. Yo, do me a favor, wear what you like. And this the year, and is this the year that Nike basketball has come back? Matter of fact, pause that. Is this the year that basketball shoes has come back? Let me know in the comments. Hey, do me a favor, wear what you like what you want, and fuck the rest. We out. Yeah.
We'll be right back.